these are the basic concepts of fractions. Una, yung definition ng fraction. Ano ba ito? So, fraction is a number which can be expressed as a quotient of the form n over d. So, ang n is what we call the numerator. It is the number of parts taken from a whole. So, ibig sabihin, yung isang buo, hinati sa equal parts, yung parts na kinuha, that is the numerator. While d is the denominator, it is the number of equal parts into which a whole was divided. So, ito naman yung number ng equal parts na dinivide yung whole o yung isang buo. Okay? So, we have example here, example number 1. If there are 12 objects and 5 objects was taken, then the 5 objects represents the fraction 5/12. So, ito yung illustration niya. For example, meron tayong 12 or halimbawa isang buo. It is divided equally into 12 equal parts. Yan. Tapos, kinuha yung 5, for example, itong part na to. So, that is 5 objects. So, yung 5 objects na yan, ang representation niya as fraction is 5 out of 12 or 5/12. So, ang numerator is 5 kasi that is the objects taken. And ang denominator niya is 12 because that is the total objects or the total equal parts na dinivide yung isang buo. Okay? So, we have another example. Example number 2. If a cake is sliced into 8 equal parts, then each slice represents the fraction 1/8 of the cake rather. So, ibig sabihin niya, kung meron tayong isang buong cake, hinati into 8 equal parts, then yung bawat slice, halimbawa itong slice na to, it represent 1 out of 8 parts. So, ibig sabihin that is 1/8 of the whole cake. Okay? So, one slice is the numerator kasi yan yung halimbawa kukunin nating parts. So, ang denominator is 8 because that is the total number of slices or the total equal parts na dinivide yung isang buo. Okay? Halimbawa naman, 3 slices yung kukunin sa cake. So, it represents the fraction 3/8 of the cake. So, for example, ito is 1/8, tapos yung isa pang slice is 1/8, and then yung isa pang slice is 1/8. Kung yung tatlo ang kukunin nating parts, that is 3/8. Okay? So, 3 slices is the numerator kasi yun yung parts na kinuha natin. Then, 8 pa rin ang denominator kasi yung total slices or total equal parts na hinati yung isang buo. So, that is basically what a fraction is. It is a representation of the number of taken parts out of the total equal parts. The whole is divided.